sabi ng nasa comment on open cam daw.
Like, I don't like Pogi, Mahal, Mabuhay, Kamusta, Adobo.
Adobo?
That's my favorite. I can cook also, adobo
Oh my
chicken.
gosh! Same! Same!
Okay. But I just come back from work. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. I know you.
I think we are friends.
Yeah. Palagi kitang, alam mo hindi mo naiintindihan, pero palagi kitang nakikita. I mean, you always share my videos and then you always comment something.
Yeah.
Choo. Why are you laughing?
I'm just right.
You just what?
Oh, I'm just blushing.
Why?
No. You know, when I share to my friends that Colette and me are friends, then they say they are always looking in my mobile. Have you ever chat to her? I said no. I just text her, but she never seen.
Oh, nakakasad. Chat.
I can take a hit.
Wait, let me see. Why are you laughing?
No, everyone is commenting Hamza killing.
Do you know what's kinikilig?
That's what I'm doing.
Yes. You're correct.
Yeah.
Turuan na lang kitang magtagalog. Turuan na lang kitang magtagalog. Can you please share anong nangyari sa buhay mo ngayon? How's your day? Like that.
I just come back from the work. I'm working right now in night shift, so I'm not active in TikTok. But suddenly I saw your live. I never see your live, I think, before. Yeah.
So why are you here?
To just see. Oh. It's my first time. I think I saw you live before. I don't see. That's why I'm here.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Ang hirap mo naman kausap. English ka kasi dapat mag-aral ka ng Tagalog.
What is bagay kayo?
Ano daw sa English yung bagay daw, bagay. May sabi ng nasa comment section, maybe he likes you po, Ate Colette.
Okay.
I don't know. I have no idea. Sorry. Sorry, I have no idea that he likes me. I don't know. Sorry. Hirap nga mag-English, te. Kaya alam nyo na kung hindi ako kumakausap ng mga foreigner. Kasi nahihirapan ako mag-English. Charot. Sabi, how to pronounce your name? Hamza?
Yeah, Hamza.
Hamza.
Yeah. Someone
Sabi
said we have same background.
Wow, mga dilulo.
Oh
I
my
call
God.
them dilulo. Sabi,
Delilu?
delulu.
Delulu?
Delusional.
Okay.
Sabi, Hamza, bagay kayo means you look good together. Ay!
Oh, thank you po. Salamat.
No, baby, me and you. Lo, Hamza. Hamzam nida. Gaga, mga baliw kayo. Huwag kayong ganun. Ay, charit.
Colette?
Hamlet.
No, I'm just reading there.
What is your job, Sir Hamza? Sabi ni
I work in Starbucks po.
Oh, so do you know how to make coffee? Oh my gosh.
I'm barista.
I love coffee.
I am Indiano po.
Indiano daw si Hamza. How old is he po? I don't know. I have no idea. Nothing.
How old are you?
Me? Guess.
23? 24? Okay, last guess. 25.
Wow. Do I look 25?
You look 22.
Oh my gosh, you're wrong. Tiyara.
I don't know. Okay. So,
I'm 15 years old.
no. That's why it's showing sensitive in my account.
Ah. sorry. How old are
Just
you
joking,
now?
no. How old are you then?
22.
See, the last guess is right.
No. Your last guess is 25, not 22.
Okay, so exact, I said 22. Yeah, 4, I said 4. 23, 24, 23, 24. The last one is 22, I said.
25. Let me guess your age.
Okay, but now I look like 34.
30. Charet. No.
No.
I think you're in mid 25, 20s.
Yeah, I'm 24.
Yes, I'm correct. Right?
Yeah, right.
Huwag naman mag-English. Can you please school Tagalog language? Learn school. Can you please learn English?
Okay, I should learn now.
Yes, you should. Because maybe in the future you will go here in the Philippines and then you
Here
meet someone
sorry?
like dapat guys, ganun magpakilig ng tao. Huli siya, nahuli. Di ba?
You don't have school today?
Hmm?
You don't have school today?
Are you serious?
Just joking.
You're so joker! Oh my
Traum.
Guys, lisod mo kayo in-English dari guys. Uy, nonsa naman. Ay, pahawaan mo itong live eh. Ano da? So, wala kang work today. Tagalog.
Welcome work today. Means how was my work?
No.
Finish work?
Guys, tulugan niyo ako. Wait lang.
No.